Yeah, Rebel 5 aftermarket Kaufman exhaust. Replaced the stock bazooka. Look at this. This is the difference in size. This is what it sounds like.